In the demand of RomanScript for Kokborok, TSF Sardar East Divisional Committee submitted a deputation to Chief Minister of State through Jirania SDM on Monday. Chief Advisor of TSF Bishukumar Debarma, President Samrat Debarma, Vice President John Debarma, and other executives member of TSF represent. Like it has been for ages, our mother tongue language Kokborok should be written in RomanScript. On Monday, TSF Sardar East Divisional Committee has sent over the deputation through Jirania SDM to Chief Minister of the state. On that day, the rally was started from Khorang Forest Chomni, and TSF has sent over the deputation to the Jirania SDM Shanti Ranjan Chakma. On the rally of handing over the deputation, TSF Chief Advisor Bishukumar Debarma, State President Samrat Debarma, Vice President John Debarma, Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas Debarma, and Sardar East Divisional Committee Vice President Pravat Debarma and others TSF executives were present.
All issues to Kasam 1967 is even there RomanScript issues with the community. Amos in TD, Sardar East Divisional Committee, Nihote or Memorandum of SDM no. Chief Minister of Suroka, J. Kokborok language of Hanabagi, through the SDM, Jirania, TD Memorandum Rohokam, SDM could positive for Rohana immediately Sagasuno. So 7 issues, so 7 of the RomanScript. Salmani Bawi Pika. As a committee from Kamania, almost solution here. I guess in order Buji was there. Tinis Nuka students online, I mean, or students bank. 99% only since 99% student or 99.5% no RomanScript in favor of care. How can the government see the public mandate no goes here without taking the mandate of the public? Only they can impose one particular script. There is the question to the government. They cannot do that. They cannot impose one particular script. This should take the mandate of the people. The people has only given 99% mandate. So why the government is still silent and only imposing one script? Government should take, the chief minister should take immediate step to solve these issues. Otherwise, there will be lots of problems in Tripura. Will be even bound to call for strike or any further greater movement can be called up again. So we have requested the SDM already. The SDM is very positive. He will be sending Borohonai, Chief Minister, immediately or Memorandum of Rihonai.
Ringza, Jirania Subdivisional, Memorandum Yapalaka, Kruk Chief Minister Hani Shogina, 1996 1968 Nisime. TSF of Anon Kai Payo, Pamonke, Jung, RomanScript by Chini Mani Kogno, Suyani, Baporinani Bagay, Jung, Sani Payo. Tabu Naji, Chini State Government, 40 years in Ka, Kokborok, no security money, happen of both language by Swilai Tonglai, Uno, Tikri Ko. Abani Bagay, Jung, RomanScript by Sano. Engkau borok hai Bangla horop bai khlai jengno sirina bagi taitugo saibana chini pori tongnai joto Kokborok sanai rokai jeng RomanScript bai nayo jotokhon jeng RomanScript bai jengno adhikari asa TSF anolon khai thangnai joyawino.
There was a strict security lodge at Khorang and Jirania on that day in regard with the submission of deputation through Jirania SDM to the Chief Minister of the state by TSF Sardar East Divisional Committee. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.